How to enable dark mode on Binance. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable dark mode on Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is make sure that you have the Binance app and make sure that it is up to date to its latest version. After you do that, you can open it up and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now tap on the top left corner. Now tap on the settings icon on the top right corner. Right here you will see different settings. Now scroll down and there you should find your preference. So right here you will see appearance. Tap on theme and there you'll find the option to change it into dark mode. Tap on dark mode and now your Binance is on dark mode. Now if you want to change it again, you can just head over to your settings again, head over to theme. Now if you use your device settings, you can just turn on the dark mode on your device. For that, simply pull down from your top right corner to your control panel and then long press on your brightness, then tap on dark mode on. After you turn your dark mode on, it will automatically change to dark mode whenever you're on dark mode on your mobile phone. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.